Okay, before starting anything, guys, I would like to tell you something about this tool. If you are treating this tool as a pure sure shot signal generator, okay, and if you are thinking if there is a signal happened, I can directly go and enter into that stock, I will be making big profits. No, you are wrong, guys. Even the Bloomberg terminal, which costs around $25,000 per year, that cannot produce a sure shot signals. Okay, even the most profitable hedge funding, hedge funders also will be able to generate only 60% of the returns year on year. If we are thinking that okay, this will generate me like 100%, 200%, 300% returns every expiry or every day, or maybe even sure short signals, if I enter the stock, that will be going in my direction only. That is not possible. No one in this entire world can give you that information, or even they don't know that information. If I know a stock will be moving towards a direction on the same day, I would be not sitting here. I would be, I would be a billionaire or trillionaire. No one in India, no one around the world will be able to tell you that, because stocks momentum will happen based on the human mindset. I might be thinking about one thing. Might be thinking it will go and give me a breakout to the top right now. There will be somebody sitting in another chair somewhere else will be thinking, okay, if a breakout happens, people might think it is breakout happened, then they can go and buy the stock. But here, if I go in the reverse, I will be making profit because the reversal might happen. So this is purely based on the data and human mindset behavior, right? The demand and supply, how the stock price decides because of the demand, right? If more buyers, if they are trying to buy the stocks even with a premium price which is currently trading, then the stock will obviously move upwards. If they are not willing to pay the premium, it will go down. Money that buyers are willing to put, right? I'll explain you in a simple manner. Right now, Ipca Lab is 90 sellers who are willing to sell this stock at 2000. Okay, if there is a seller, there should be a buyer, right? There should be a buyer who is willing to buy. So they are selling at 2000 premium, but the current price is 1900 only. Who would buy and go? Who would go and buy a stock at 2000 premium? Okay, I'm giving you a general example. Nobody will be willing to put 2000, right? But there might be a chance, there may be a scenario where the buyers feel that entirely in their human intelligence and their thinking only. There is a big positive news come. Ipca Lab is being acquired by somebody, or somebody is putting some greater investment into Ipca Labs. A news came up, and retail traders like us, or HNI traders, or hedge funds guys will think, okay, if they are putting this much of money, the value of the stock is going to be doubled next year, right? Then they will be willing to put the money, even give the premium, pay the premium of 2000 rupees. Then the stock will be skyrocketed, right? Like that's how the most of the stocks move in, even if you are considering like past returns with like major stocks. I don't want to name those stocks. Even the past stocks also, that's how they have moved. But if they are not willing to pay the premium, the stock will free fall. Okay, the seller will not get a buyer, or now I am not getting buyers. Now I'll reduce the premium, I'll sell it at 1950. Then also there will be no buyer. I'll reduce it to 1900. Then also there will be no buyers. Then they will come back to 1600. Then also there will be no buyer. This is how the stock will fall. If there is a buying momentum happen and people are willing to pay so much premium, the stock will rise, right? You need to understand this is the people's mindset which are driving the markets. And there are millions of people who are trading in indices market, sorry, India markets, and each and every mindset will not be the same. They are actors different, and because of their trade execution, the data which is coming at live, it also be changed, and that's why our signals also be changed. So do not consider this as a straightforward signal generator. Please consider this as a bias platform based on the data which is available. Second and foremost thing, you must, respect your discipline, respect your risk to reward, and respect your money management. Without money management and risk to reward and discipline, you will not be able to survive in this stock market, guys. It will teach you a big lesson where you cannot, look back. Trust me, I've been in the market from past 7 years, and that is even after so many losses in my initial years. Discipline is the only thing that is keeping me constant. Even if I'm able to survive right now in the stock markets, even after so many losses in my initial years, that's because of my discipline only. And even if you ask any trader, they will tell you this: the risk to reward, money management, and the discipline. These are the three things that you need to follow. Wait for your setup. Always keep your reward greater than your risk, and always money your lot size. That is money management. If I am going to, I already explained this example. If you entered a 390 quantity in Nifty today, okay, you made a decent profit. Okay, maybe 100 points you were able to capture at the money strike price, right? How much your profit would be? Maybe $39,000. Sorry, 39,000 rupees. Tomorrow, okay, I got the money. Now I will be increasing my lot size to 1,000, right? In that case, how would your risk to reward would be setting? Just in case the market went against you, right? You, in 30 points itself, you would be wiping out all the earnings that you have earned yesterday. So that's why you need to maintain the constant capital size or constant lot size across your trades for at least 1 year. After that, maybe you can slowly increase it. So do not keep it in mind that, okay, if I increase the lot size, if market goes in my direction, I'll be making a huge money, right? Do not think like that. Think in the negative scenario as well. You need to think the negative case first, then think in the positive way. Okay, if it is moving in your direction, how can I ride this direction in my favor? How can I trial my SL? Okay, yeah, please do not treat this. That's what I wanted to say. Do not treat this as a signal generator. Only the bias platform, only the gives you the true setups of the screeners, and please respect the market, guys. It will teach you a good lesson. Respect your markets, respect your discipline, respect your risk to reward. Yeah, thank you. I will be uploading all this series in YouTube, and if you're not able to understand, or if you want a free webinar for question and answers, just let me know in the YouTube comment section, and I will make some time and conduct some Zoom sessions, or maybe we'll come to YouTube live and discuss a lot of things at some point of time. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you will be finding this tool useful.